Lots of people ask me about the condition of the chassis of this Land Rover. So I'm gonna make a little video today that anyone want to see the condition of the frame or the chassis of this Land Rover before they come to buy. Also, lots of people ask me that as well, they want to see is it driven. So I made a little video that I was driving, and I'm gonna make a little video of the chassis as well to see the condition, how it looks like. So this is under the front wing, that part of the chassis. There was in this place a little bit rust, so I put the strong steel patch on it and welded around professionally. So that was one place. Now I'm gonna show you in the back of the vehicle. There were a couple of places as well which I welded, put the steel plate on it, and let's go to show you that as well. So this area, this is right the end of the chassis where the rear bumper is. There was rust, this much rust. Then I welded again another steel plate, cut to size, and it's been professionally welded. This plate I put brand new. I removed the old one and threw it away and put new one. This is new plate with where the rear plate fitted on it. So that plate is brand new as well. Same I've done to the other side as well. And the same story was here as well. As you can see, there was rust that much. Again, I cut to size the steel plate and welded professionally. And plate here, as I put on the other side, the old brand new plate behind the bumper or the back plate. So this is the condition of the chassis from the back. This is diff, the rear axle. So this is the condition of it. So there was no rust and it's not leaking at all, the diff oil. So this is the condition of frame, and this is the gearbox. As you can see, completely dry, no leaks. So this the chassis from inside. This is from outside of the left hand side. This is the chassis, nice and clean, no rust at all. One more place I must mention, this box. This is the battery compartment. The battery is under the passenger seat, and this is a box made. That had a rust here. As you can see, rust. And here as well, in this place, that were rusted. So what I did, I cut the sheet even thicker than the original one, the metal sheet, and I designed a box, complete box, and removed the battery and fitted box from inside. and the old one you can see is like that, but that is that you can see that's the new box, but the whole complete box, not one piece here, not one piece here, a complete box I welded inside. Now this is the front axle, so no leaks, no more rust. So the old frame was nice, no rust before. That's the fourth one. There was a little bit rust, tiny, not that much, but I welded big plate around. Big plate. It's a big plate. Even I was not doing that, still I'm okay because it's not that bad. It's just a tiny rust here. I scratched it, then I didn't like leave it like that. This plate around. So this is another plate. This is, now you can see the condition, and that is all engine. So this is the final drive, nice and clean. Here, normally they leak from here. It's not dripping from here. Now let's see. This is the gearbox, right from underneath. As you see, this is the drain plug. Is not dripping, no oil. And this is the sump engine. And from here, normally the drip is not dripping, nice and dry. See? No leak at all. Most of the Land Rover, they leak, especially they drip from the gearbox a lot, but this one doesn't. Frame from here, the chassis, the body. Under the wing, front wing. This one didn't have any rust. That was, as you can see, the condition of it. Yeah. And that's nice and dry as well. No leaks. This is the metal sheet which I use, cutting from this and welding on the chassis. This is 1.5 mil thick, so almost the chassis thickness size from which sheet the chassis has been manufactured, the same thickness. Now I'm gonna show you how quick it starts. So this is from inside. Without pressing accelerator, you turn the key, you start like this. Now I'm gonna drive it a little.